So in today's video, I'm going to be solving a Rediminx. Now, if you don't know what a Rediminx is, it's essentially a combination of the Redicube and the Megaminx. So the Redicube, if you turn one corner, it moves around 3 edges. Here, if you turn one corner, it moves around 3 edges. And the Megaminx is in the same shape as a Redicube. They're both dodecahedrons, 12-sided pentagons. Now, if you're wondering why these two are scrambled, well, we'll get to that reason later. But I'm just going to be solving this with, commentary, and I'm also going to be timing it. So, we'll see how this goes, because I've actually never timed myself solving this before. Okay, now for the real reason why these two puzzles are scrambled. So basically what I'm going to do is just set it up, and that's the real reason why. Alright, so here it is. The puzzle is now scrambled, and that kind of looks like a gem at this point. So let's solve this. So obviously we have 15 seconds of inspection. So what I will do is I will solve the white corners. Now, what I mean by corners are these bits, and the edges are kind of these bits. Alright. So, basically what we can do is just bring each of the corners up. Now what I'm going to be doing is just solving the edges. So, in particular, the first layer edges. So, here's this white-green one, and I'm just going to move it in. So here it is, and I can just kind of use like a commutator. If you want a video on how commutators actually, what even is a commutator, you can go watch the video on the cards in the top right. So here's a white purple one, insert that. And where's another one? Here's a white red, so I just moved this one here. Oh dear. That's going to happen a lot during this video, I guarantee. So that's solved. Now we'll do the blue. So, by the way, this isn't meant to be like a tutorial, but if you're interested, I might make one. So there's the blue one and the yellow. So which way? So it's this way. It's kind of intuitive, the first layer. So there's the first layer, and now what I'll do is I'll just solve these slots. So I'll solve the which one? The red green. So I can just line it up like this and insert and put it down. Oh, but it's flipped. So what I do is I just move it around the face and then just insert it like that. Turn that down. Now we'll go. What's that one? Purple and yellow. So I can. That's alright, so I can just move it like this and insert it like that. Yellow, blue. So now let's this one will go like that. Just haven't solved that. And then blue, red. That's here. So I'll insert that one. That's flipped, so I'll just put it in the other way and put it in like that. Alright, is that no green purple? So that's the last one though. So I'll just move it in, solve that, and go. Oh no, that was right. Now perfect. Now we've got the second layer done. So now I'm gonna solve the middle layer, I guess. So that's gonna include this red and tan piece. So, and I just solve kind of in one way. So I'll do red tan, now red pink. So I'll kind of just bring this, insert it, and in. Now I'll go blue pink. So when I put this in, it's going to be flipped. So what I will do is I'll just move this around, just like this, and then that will reorient itself to be placed in solved. Now we have blue and this light green, so that's this one. So I'll just go like this and just insert. Now yellow, green, this one happens to be flipped, so what I will do is just take it out and then just do the same. Move it around. Making sure I don't accidentally disturb something. And then I can solve it like that. Now I'll do purple, orange, so obviously it's not solved, so what I will do is just go like this, and that's flipped, so I'll just move it around and solve that. Now for purple and light blue, so that's this one. I just move it in, really, and I put it in this way. 2 left, so now we'll go, let's say, the light blue and normal green. Oh, that's wrong. Like this. Probably go like that and just insert. And now the tan and green, so like this. Alright, so now I've got the middle layer done. Now I'm just gonna solve all the corners from here. Like this. And now I'll put in, now I'll put in the last, kind of the, not really last layer, but like, last layer edges? The top layer, that's what it is. So I'll just put this one in, using intuitive commutators. This one, as you can see, if I put it in one move, it just, it's not right. So what I will do is just move it around, so I can move it like this, and then move this in like that, and now we can insert it in one move. Now there isn't really a feasible commutator we can do if we just insert that in. What we can do is just move this up, and we can do this. Just something I figured out. There you go. Now, blue, orange, I can insert it like this. Orange, green, that one's flipped. I'll deal with that later. So, and then insert. And okay, so here's that flipped edge. So what I will do is just move it around, and then insert. And there we go. We've solved all the middle edge. So now we go into the last layer. So this one's solved. I want to solve something next to it. So I probably want to solve the orange one. And then I can't really go like this because it would unsolve that. But what I can do is just like move this in. Alright. Okay. So now we have 3 of them solved, and we have a 2 flip. So I explained this in my commentator or somewhere there, but I'll explain it here. So basically what I want to do is flip this edge without touching these 2 pieces. So I can go like this, and get the other one there, and then do the reverse. Like this. And here we go, 7 minutes and 14 seconds to solve the Rediminx. Definitely the puzzle that takes me the longest to solve in my collection. So yeah, that's my video on solving the Rediminx. I hope this video was at least interesting. If you'd like me to do some detailed solves of what I'm actually doing in the future, then leave them in the comments below. And yeah, see you next time.